Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Crunchyroll on your Hisense Smart TV using Chromecast, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Make sure your Hisense Smart TV with Chromecast built in and your smartphone or tablet are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Download the Crunchyroll app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device if you haven't already. Step 3. Open the Crunchyroll app and log into your account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free or premium subscription. Step 4. Browse the Crunchyroll app for the anime series or movie you want to watch. Step 5. Tap on the cast icon located in the top right corner of the app. Step 6. From the list of available devices, select your Hisense Smart TV to connect. Step 7. The content will begin streaming on your TV. Use your mobile device to control playback, adjust volume, or browse for more anime. Step 8. Your Crunchyroll is now successfully activated and streaming on your Hisense Smart TV via Chromecast. Enjoy thousands of anime titles, simulcasts, and manga content on the big screen. Tap the cast icon again to stop casting when you're done. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.